Hey everybody, this is Matt, Classic American Thunder Cycle. Hey, I just wanted to give you a quick little video. I got a 2005 Ultra Classic to come into the shop for some running issues. Not really a big deal, but I thought I would give you a quick little video and show you how to do a fuel pressure test and show you what it's not supposed to do. So I'll show you kind of what I got going on here. 2005 Ultra. I got my Kentmore fuel pressure gauge hooked up. As you can see, it quick disconnects, kind of hook underneath there, just so I can get a reading. Now I did purge the line. That's what this is for here. Get fuel pressure and you bleed the air out. But this thing should be running 55 to 62 PSI. We did run it on the dyno. It is running right around 60 PSI. Under load, so that's kind of normal, but what is not normal is the fuel pump kicks on and then shuts off, and you should maintain pressure, and this one is not. So the fact that it just dropped to nothing tells me that we got a hole in the line inside the tank, most likely. It could be a broken filter housing. We've seen that a couple times. But it should hold. And as you can tell, when you turn the key on, it just drops to nothing. Not supposed to do that. All right, so we repaired the fuel line in the tank, and you can see now that the pressure is holding. And that's what it's supposed to look like. It'll drop maybe a pound or two just in the line. But that's it.